One more animations video inside our Google slideshow. I've already created a new slideshow so I don't mess up my previous one. And now I'm going to duplicate again. I've clicked on my slide on the left, Control D to duplicate, and change the words here. Now I've put in a lot more words in this one, so I need to change my box. I can make it wider, but notice that my little arm there is now in the wrong place. So click that orange dot again, get it back to where I want it to be. I can make it wider, I can make it taller. And I want to get rid of that one because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to check my transitions to make sure they look okay. And now I'm going to duplicate this slide again and continue the conversation. I want to duplicate instead of just adding another text box because I want this person to still keep talking. I want this one to talk and this one to just listen. Now, after I have the words I want this person to say, I need to, I'm going to add a little bit more. So I want some more things to pop up. I'm going to search the web for a new picture. I want an image to come up, but I want this image to be clip art instead of a photograph. So I'm going to say clip art in my search, book clip art. And that way what comes up is a drawing instead of an actual photograph. I can also add transparent to my search. Transparent means that the background of the picture should be blank. It should not have a box around it. So when I insert it, I'm just seeing the book. Notice I'm seeing the book and not the square around it. If I don't put that, if I put just book clip art, then there's a possibility that when I do the search, it's going to come up with a white background like that. See, it has the white background on it. I don't want that white background. I just want it to pop up so I can still see my background in it. That transparent word is very important in this. So I want this one to also have an animation. I want it to, I want it to zoom in after the previous, okay? But I want to put text on it too. So I'm going to insert a text box right on top of the picture. I'm going to change my font so it looks like the way I want it to. Nope, bigger. Nope, bigger. There, that's pretty good. Move my words around just a teensy bit so I've got them where I want them. And I'm going to animate this as well. Animate, notice I have that blue line around the words, and I want it to zoom in, and I want it to do it with the previous. That means this one and this one are going to happen at the same time. This will happen after this, so my book will come in after the words, but my words on top of the book will come in at the same time. So since I didn't change any of the animations here, any of the speed, it should come in at the same time. So let's see if that works. There we go. And now I have words on top of my picture and they come in together so it looks like it's one animation, one thing coming in at the same time. And you could keep doing that, in this case, with lots of different things you could do while you are away from other people.